Well, let's give Mama Pinky some time to bond with her new family. These guys could use a nap. You could use a crib and, furniture. Newspaper will have to do. And they say print is dead.
Uh-oh. Cool.
Still, let's make something for those rockabye babies. Add some color. Baby blue? Makes sense. I think I spoke too soon. That's not baby blue. It's sky blue. And this sky's got its own stars, including these 3. Please keep cool. Now, where have we seen this straw before? Poor Mama Aqua. She melted. Oh, what a world! Always said she was a tall drink of water. Don't worry, we'll get you a new body. Remember, it's always important to hydrate. That takes care of that. But where's Mama Creamy? Strawberry swirl? Uh-oh, but it's okay. Aqua will show you how to stay cool. Quick, before she's all milkshake! Just breathe and embrace the cool. Here, I think you need this cone more than we do. Who needs a desert when your love keeps you warm? Looks like baby Maruna found a maze. I think this will help her get the point. Hurry! Wyram is right on your tail. We found your mama, but something's off. For starters, this place is a mess. Let's clean things up. Remember, take care of nature and it'll take care of you. Comes in handy when the floor really is lava. Mama Maruna's not feeling so good. Why don't we take a quick peek inside? Uh-oh, another Wyram! Hold on a second. Here's an idea. Let's take a peek inside you. Why don't we give you a happy heart? Aw, now that's a cute little family. Well, we found your mom garden. Too bad she's 6 feet under. Uh-oh, I don't like the look of that flower. Now who says it's plants versus zombies? By the looks of it, they've joined forces. I can't look. Is there a gardener in the house? You know, some weed killer could work wonders. A little pruning won't hurt either. Let's put some antiseptic on those wounds. For our next step, why don't you take a nap? Time for a little brain surgery. What? It's not rocket science. A little cacti will perk things up. Just remove the thorns. Sand to size. Or where is a beret? Mary, Mary, how does your garden grow? Open your eyes. Now let's get out of here. Look, 3 babies for the price of 1. There's a red key under cloud number 2. Switch the pipes to bring it to Telly. Next is a blue key. This one goes to Sky. The last one's orange, but it'll need to make a quick stop. See? Good things come to those who wait. Now all the babies have their keys. Quick, let's find what they unlock. Match each key to the same color lock. Now we just need to peel off all of the gray. It's Mama Sky, just a little drowsy. Come on, Oren, it looks like you're next. Well, that put a smile on her face. Last but not least, Telly's got the call. Do you think Mama Telly's underneath? No, it's Pinky! Where can your mom be? Wait, it takes all kinds to make a family. And there's nothing tomato juice can't fix. Besides, think of all you'll save on blush and lipstick. Now we just need to make a few adjustments. She's adopted a whole new look, and that's not all. Baby Aurelia's on an underwater adventure. Well, that was quick. Just kidding. She's found her mama. She's just in need of a little haircut. Don't worry, we've got a spare eye. And we'll get rid of that pesky crab. Anyone else in the mood for a clam bake? Time for a new brain. And a clear mind. Still, nothing wrong with a little color. And more importantly, just look at how squishy it is. What do you think we'll find in here? No, that skeleton's not made of wood. Ooh, buried treasure. Too bad there's no way out. Wait a minute, a third thing. Maybe it can help. A feather? Careful, it makes you sneezy. Is it me, or is this starting to sound familiar? Well, if it worked for Pinocchio, great success! Kiki, Booba, you gotta pick a door. It's Doughy. Don't worry, he's still got the other arm. Next up, it's Pianosaurus. Don't worry, this guy just needs a little tuning up. Oh, guess you get to share a mom. I wonder if that makes them siblings. Still, maybe we can pull them apart. Oh, I see. The real mamas were inside. Still, they still look a little mixed up. Or at least a little too over-accessorized. Aw, now talk about a family reunion. Ooh, the boogeyman's got competition. But Semi-Hemi's prepared. She's got a paperclip. We just need to give it a few twists and turns. But it could use something. Grab that cube. Cut it down to size, or shape. A cylinder, that is. Now we can roll on a fresh coat of paint. Let's start with a fresh shade of pink. But Semi-Hemi's a living rainbow. Add some blue. Next up, I'm thinking purple for those pigtails. Just remember, it's what's inside that counts. Here, you're not you when you're hungry. Ah, much better. Now that's what I call a happy ending. What was that? Guess you're not sleeping tonight. Maybe you just need something to settle you. Fresh milk! You can practically taste the cow. Of course, this bottle could use some volume. But I think we're forgetting something. Oh yeah, the milk! Don't worry, your dairy godmother is here. Uh-oh, she needs an udder.
Wow.
Well, we can always make one. Much better. Now give it a good squeeze. And look, there's plenty of bottles to go around. You think that calmed their tummies? Well, better out than in, I always say. Still, I think someone needs changing. Yeah, I wouldn't hold on to that. Of course, these aren't the disposable kind. So we're gonna need a little washing machine. And this one comes with all the special features. Looking good. Now stick those dirty diapers inside. We're gonna need some extra stain remover. Ooh, it's even got the setting we need. Wow, I guess it washes and dries too. Don't worry, I'm sure we can stretch it out. You know, it's such a nice day outside. Why don't we take the babies out for a stroll? They're gonna need a baby carriage. We're fresh out of pumpkins, so cardboard will do. Either way, it's gonna need some wheels. We're gonna whip up a 4-wheel drive. Add blankets and pillows for maximum comfort. But we want to really pamper these babies in the woods. So we're gonna whip you up some pacifiers. Besides, this should ensure a nice, quiet trip. Purple polka dots. That's going out in style. And Mommy can have some me time. What the? Looks like these babies are acting naughty. Using ladders at their age. Wow, they're fast learners. Maybe someone should tell Mama. Guess we can't be too mad. You're only 5 minutes old. Besides, these guys have too much energy. So let's make something safe for them to play on. Don't forget some sturdy stairs. Still, why don't we add a personal touch too? Now Gray will also watch out for them. Someone needs to keep an eye on these kids. And Mama's right here to catch you. Just don't go too fast for her. Never mind. Actually, you guys are all getting messy. Don't worry, Mother knows best. She's gonna make you a bathtub. Plus, it's big enough to be a swimming pool. Either way, we're gonna need some water. Water usually isn't crunchy, but to each their own. Come on, guys, the paper water's fine. You too, Oren. Ah, much better. Now relax and let all your troubles wash away. And why not have swim practice while you're at it? We don't want you getting too cold. Time for some towels and some warm kisses. Still, something tells me they were in the pool too long.
Ew.
But look who's here to help. It's Ratty. Sorry, buddy, you're about to lose face. But it'd be a shame to let it go to waste. Maybe it just needs a little depth. And tissues. You can't go wrong with tissues.
Cool.
For once, it's okay to pick your friend's nose. Okay, kids, where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
Boo.
Okay, what else do kids like? Ooh, minions!
Cool.
Lay him down. Let's make him into their new toy. He's just gonna need some limbs. Some string and a clip wouldn't hurt either. Ooh, these are some great shoes. In fact, let's make a place for the minions to hang out. Now the babies have their own minion mobile. Aw, that puts smiles on your faces. Now off to sleep. What? You need a story or something? Ooh, there's somebody at the door. Why, it's our old pal. A piece of paper. And just in time for our latest craft. Looks like the babies are getting a mini Pinky Mama of their own. She'll need lips to give goodnight kisses. She's gonna need some straps on back. And let's make her a friend too. It's Sky. Now slide your hand right in. It's a new puppet. Aw, they're telling the babies a bedtime story. Now they're sound asleep, and just in time, too. But we're not done with crafting just yet. Ooh, grab that potato chip container. Are there any chips left inside? Well, Mama Pinky sure earned a little snack. But don't ditch that tube just yet. We can put a nice face on things, like Wenda's or Ratty's. Add some old fairy lights right inside the tube.
Cool.
And place each face right on top. Hot glue a little rope or twine on the bottom. Hang them up right on the ceiling. And you can always light up the night.